Are you over 50 and looking to feel more vibrant, energetic, and to truly nourish your body? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of the Mediterranean diet, and I'm going to tell you why it's absolutely perfect for you. So what exactly is the Mediterranean diet? It's not a diet in the restrictive sense, but rather a delicious and sustainable eating pattern inspired by the countries that border the Mediterranean Sea, like Italy, Greece, Spain, Morocco, and many more. At its heart, it's about la dolce vita, the sweet life, the good life. It's about abundance in a healthy way. I like to describe it as a lifestyle of moderate indulgences. On a Mediterranean diet, you'll eat plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, nuts and seeds, lean proteins, and healthy fats like gorgeous extra virgin olive oil. Fish and seafood are consumed regularly, typically a couple times a week, providing those crucial omega-3 fatty acids. Poultry, eggs, and dairy products like cheese and yogurt are enjoyed in moderation. Red meat is eaten only occasionally, maybe a few times a month. And of course a little red wine if you like. But it's about more than just food. It's a lifestyle that embraces slowing down, savoring life, enjoying meals with loved ones, and being physically active. It's truly holistic. Now, why is this lifestyle absolutely perfect for you, especially if you've crossed that fantastic 50-year mark? Let's break it down. Heart health. As we age, heart health becomes paramount. The Mediterranean diet's emphasis on healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants is a powerful shield against heart disease, helping to manage cholesterol and blood pressure. Brain protector. Studies show this diet can help maintain cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Those omega-3s and antioxidants are like super fuel for your brain. Weight management. Naturally, because it's rich in fiber from whole grains and vegetables, you'll feel fuller for longer, which can naturally help with weight management without feeling deprived. No counting calories, just good food. Bone and joint support. With its focus on calcium-rich foods, like leafy greens and yogurt, and anti-inflammatory components, it can support bone density and help alleviate joint discomfort. Disease prevention. Beyond heart and brain health, this eating pattern is linked to a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and even improved longevity. It's truly an investment in your future health. Sustainable and enjoyable. This isn't a fad diet you'll quit in a month. It's a way of life. It's incredibly versatile, adaptable, and most importantly, delicious. You'll enjoy what you eat and easily stick with it long term. Ready to embrace this incredible way of eating? Start small. Swap butter for olive oil. Add an extra serving of vegetables to your plate. Choose whole grains. And try a new fish recipe this week. You don't have to overhaul your entire kitchen in one night. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about food. It's a lifestyle that celebrates life, health, joy, and longevity. So if you're ready to feel your best, especially if you're over 50, why not let the Mediterranean diet be your guide? Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to subscribe to begin your Mediterranean journey. Thank you for watching. I'll see you very soon. Bye.